hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Hey you guys, today I've created this eye makeup look using SIVANNA HT eyeshadow palette. So let's just directly jump into the video. I'm going to start off with the eye makeup because I've already done my base to save some time. I'm going to apply this concealer as a base for my eyeshadows. I'm going to set it with the compact next. Then I'm using this brown eyeshadow for my crease first. I'm going to place the color on the outer corner first and then I'm going to drag it inwards like this. I'm going to build the color slowly. I'm not going to apply the colors together once for all. Then I'm going to flick the eyeshadows like this in the outer corner. Next I'm using this darker shade to deepen my crease even more. So as you can see, it is so pigmented and it glides on your eyelids smoothly, and it is blendable as well. So I'm doing that. I'm going to apply it and deepening my crease like this. Then once I'm happy with the way it's looking, I'm going to use this rose gold eyeshadow for my center of the eyelids. It's like a shimmery shade, so it looks amazing with this combination. So I'm going to place it like this and then I'm going to blend the eyeshadows nicely with the clean blending brush. And that's all for the eye makeup. It's easy and yet it looks elegant. So once I'm done blending the eyeshadows, I'm going to do my wing liner. I'm going to be doing this thin wing liner, not going to do too thick or bold. I just want it to be elongated thin liner, so I'm doing that. So I've done full review on this eyeshadow palette. You should check my previous video if you haven't already. Just I loved the way it was looking thin and elongated. So yes, then I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm applying this mascara. Then I'm going to clean the edges and highlight my highest points, then set it with the compact. Next step, I'm going to apply this kajal for my waterline and I'm going to do tight line with the same kajal. Then I'm using these two shades for my lower lashes, which I used earlier for my crease. I'm going to smudge the colors on my lower lashes and this is how it looks once you smudge the colors. And then I'm going to do same on the other eye and finish off my eye makeup with the mascara for my lower lashes. So we are done with this eye makeup look. I'm going to finish rest of my face and I am back here. So yes, with that I finished this eye makeup look and I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.
Lights paint the